Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to share one important thing based on Google Documents. So you can see it right here. So I have done nothing. I have just went to this Google document thing, opened this page, right? Now you can see help me write meeting notes and email draft. I am telling you how to use it without even typing anything on your Gmail, like Gmail draft or Gmail compose messages. So just click here on email draft. After that you can see like this. So if I choose a few of my accounts, so I'm just choosing two. Okay, I'm choosing two accounts of mine. Okay, now in CC, okay, let's do one thing. Let's remove this account and let's do one thing. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm choosing one of my account, okay, in this section, and one account in this section, and one account in this section. So you need to delete this person. Okay, so just delete this thing, delete this, right? So I have selected this. I have done it in BCC also. I am doing it like I am adding my third like official account. Done. Now let's talk about subject. Let's talk about any leave request that an employee wants to get it from like his manager, right? So I'm just writing it randomly like the leave request to attend a family wedding. Okay. Now let's coming to the main body of this email part. You can see write email message. So I am not doing to write each and everything. I will make document to complete my mail for me. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write a few text so that this document can understand what I'm talking about, right? So I'm just writing leave request for 5 days. Uh, employee asking for leave request for 5 days to attend a family wedding. Let's make it more, say, more personal, more clear. So we can say railway employee, or we can say marketing employee, or let's write marketing employee. Okay, now let's do one thing. Now you can see just right here, you can see pen plus smile and then this. You need to go to help me write. Then do one thing before going here, just copy this line, right? Copy this line, go to help me write, and then go to this custom. I can also elaborate it, but I would like to go for custom thing. So I'm just clicking here. Now you can see my mail. So based on the changes that I want to see in this mail, you can see here. I'm just inserting it randomly. Even here, you can see this. So what we can do is we can just remove our subject line, right? And sorry, we can use this subject line. Done. Remove subject. Done. Here you can write supervisor's name, dear, say Shraddha. Or if you call that person sir or ma'am, then you can use the same, ma'am or sir. Okay, then comma. I hope this email. Now you can read everything, and based on your requirements, you can make a change to it. Now, even if you want that kind of leave request from your college, then you can again do it. You can read this line like this. Some of some of very great lines you can found in such kind of mails. I am committed to my work and will ensure that my absence does not affect the team's productivity or the company's goal. Upon my return, I'll resume my duties with renewed energy and dedication. So you can read these kind of, like, we'll take time to read, come up with such kind of statements. But when we will get help from AI tools, or say document, Google document, so we can come up with very great and very like great flow, very professional kind of, very decent flow of mails. So we can really use this. Now you can see, we need, it's not like now we need to open Gmail in other like window, and then we need to copy it, we need to type this again. It's not nothing like this. Now you can see one symbol here, right? You can see it here. You can see preview in Gmail. Just click here, just click on this like this icon, and I have just clicked it, and now you can see this small window here. So by mistake I have opened two windows, so let's keep it one. So you can see one window here. So here you can see everything, whatever we wrote there. Now you can see everything here. Okay. What we need, all we need to do is we just need to click on this send button. Here it's taken. We can see taken down, like whatever red marks are there. We can just go for it, and we can look if these changes are required, or it's like it will make any kind of sense to make changes. And also if they say start date, you can put the date, end date, you can put the date. So now you can see, we just need to click on like send button. So it's truly good, and I would suggest you to like use this option. So on a daily basis, we obviously we need to write mails and everything. So yeah, that's a great way to write like such kind of good and long lengthy mail. So yeah, just try it. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to cover any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.